we get this. What's up? Did you get you a drink?
LaCroix.
Nice.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Parting the shade so the computer don't die.
Start packing, and then it's like, wow.
Yeah, look how big
So that's
it
what we
is.
got. Yeah, it's pretty big. It's 3 Montanas, not the state.
We got our generation down there.
Yeah.
So we got those on it. And we're gonna unbox this thing.
This is a lot of different stuff.
It is. For a case pack in particular.
Yeah. Alrighty. Dang
Yee.
it. More stuff. We weren't supposed to buy anything today. Zach.
This is good.
More high strung. You, Montana, or you, Brandon?
Let's unbox.
That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah. What's up, YouTube? So we're back with you today. Me, Brandon, and Zach. We just came and bought this pallet. We spent $5.50 on it. It's a Target casepack pallet, and we're gonna unbox it with you.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. I'm jacked up on Monster.
Alright.
Yeah, y'all gotta get them down for me.
Okay. You go.
So I think those are those dresses.
Yeah.
Oh, that's some heavy stuff.
Okay.
It's exciting.
I wish we had. If you want to cut it open, I'll show.
Okay.
Or y'all can show.
Oh, well, I'll let you do that.
I'll let you do that. Cool, yay. I'm so excited.
Oh, box in a box.
Which are kind of nice because when you go to ship them.
Oh boy.
Oh, what is this?
Bibs.
Oh,
no.
cool.
Wow.
These
Yeah.
are nice.
Okay.
This is,
Spent a lot of money on that.
yeah, this is baby stuff.
Yeah.
So, individually wrapped, it looks like it's a 5-pack of blankets. Let's see.
Paintbrush rollers. Grill sets.
We just got good
Garden
stuff. Garden diggers.
Tis the season.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect right now.
Okay, so we got
It's a reseller's
we
dream.
got towels and washcloth sets. They're $9.49 a piece.
Let's get like a slow-mo.
Looks like
commercial. Oh my gosh.
some garden
oh my
diggers.
gosh. Go into a commercial.
We got some garden diggers here.
Yeah, different sets of them.
Wow.
Yeah, those are cool.
Ah, check it
Put them
out.
together. Oh, look at these.
Okay, this is
Very nice.
yes.
Yeah, you could sell them as a 3-pack. So far we got 3 different ones. Let's see how much they cost. So they're $3 a piece. So sell a 3-pack for $7.
So these are
Yeah. Woo! So we got some little girls' clothing. Every bunny is going to be friends. Woo! I know, isn't that cute? And they're $19.99 a piece.
Perfect.
Looks like there's 12 in a box.
What's that? Okay, these are these, babe. Whatever these things are.
Oh yeah, those
like
are
hang
cool.
them up on
Hangers. I'll open one.
with pictures.
Look at these, Amber.
Ooh, this heavy. Some garden tools. 239.
Oh, it's a garden.
And they're all different.
Those are super cute.
Yeah, these are good style.
I know, who would have known you were coming today?
I know, he would be in love today. So we got these little hanging wall decor. You could even take them off and use them as coasters too, probably.
Good idea.
This is Amber.
Oh, God.
That's our wholesaler, one of the sisters.
Oh yeah, on the coffee
I
tables.
got YouTube ready today.
That's
Okay.
beautiful.
So these are all, you sell the whole box.
Yeah, you would want to sell the whole box.
But there's like how many of those in there? Jesus.
Yeah. So you can make wreaths out of them. You can make potted plants to go around your house.
Wallets.
Are those? No, these are different. Oh, awesome. Weather reports.
School's about to be
I
starting.
know, these are gonna be perfect.
School's about to be starting.
So we just got weather reports, animal phrase games, butterflies, dinosaurs. These are gonna be perfect for when school starts back, or if you're homeschooling, totally get some for your kids.
I love it. 30 pounds, $100 piece.
Wow. Fill the whole pack. Oh my gosh, look how much different stuff we got this time.
That's what I was saying. Casepack is only like one solid.
One, maybe
Maybe
two,
two.
maybe three, but this is awesome. Are those, no, that's a different size box.
Raspberry. Contingo.
That's different.
You know what that is?
No, I don't.
Water bottles.
Really?
Yeah, those you go for
It's
20
summer,
bucks.
so.
Raspberry.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, these are small ones. Right? Buy some, buy some, buy.
Well, see, I told it. We hate them, but we love them because they're easy to ship at this point. It's already boxed up in the smallest box it's gonna get.
Look at that.
Those
Thermos.
are nice though. Those are the.
Oh, woo! I just got a new coffee cup.
Those are the nice ones. Though.
Contingo leak proof, 6 hours, 12 hours, hot.
I mean, they're expensive, like 10
Yeah,
bucks.
here.
It's a 2 in a pack.
Yeah, 2 in a pack. How many did we get?
I have a lot.
I have a lot too.
How much do they sell for? Do you think?
$10 a piece.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's heavy.
That's
Are you
good.
Arnold?
$5 a piece. I need these
Where's
for my
Two,
stove. So
and
these
a
are
404
So we split this pallet. So basically what we're doing is taking everything off, organizing it so that way we can split all the inventory evenly. We just went right down the middle. How much did we pay for this, Montana?
$5.50, so we paid $2.50 a piece.
$2.50 a piece.
No, 225.
Oh, what did I say?
$2.50.
Oh, $2.25.
$2.25 a piece.
What do you see
hold on.
different?
If it was $5.50, we did some math wrong.
No, $2.25 and $2.25. Right?
That would be $4.50.
Oh,
We
it
did
would
some
be.
math.
Oh, we did.
We owe you some money.
Oh.
When we
Well,
were
let's
sitting
go
here
away.
talking about it, I was
75.
like,
Thank
what?
So you're
$50.
right, this is.
Listen, I was sitting here like, wow, okay. And then the more Brandon was talking, I was like, wait, we really have some math off over here.
All right.
We,
Your
hanging
thing-
signs.
Yep.
They go with your, so we just got ceramic.
It adds up, but when you start looking at
Oh my
everything
God, it
individually,
does.
Yeah.
We just got ceramic magnets, which
I'm
match
like, wait, but that is a lot of.
our hanging signs. So hanging signs and magnets.
These boxes are different.
Here you go.
Shoes?
Shoes?
Get out of here.
Yeah, shoes. Woo! Oh my
Oh,
God,
boy.
these are cute.
Are those 7.5?
Yes.
Show the camera there.
All right, so we just got
Love
shoes.
me.
We did awesome on these.
Why should I like these?
Oh, those are adorable. Yeah, these are perfect
I'm set for
for
Christmas.
Yeah,
Birthday.
Montana, I was saying.
a working woman shoe. Heck yeah, super cute. 7.5.
Our plants.
They are $19.99 retail. You cannot sell shoes at the flea market we go to. Actually, they are oversaturated there. Ah, I'm so freaking happy.
They fit.
Yes.
They're fashion.
Oh, those are nice.
Yeah, definitely.
And there's 2 to a box.
Yeah, more sleeping bag sets. So we got some of these on our last pallet. They're $24.99 a piece. They're for 18-inch dolls, our generation.
Classic.
The bottle, the
Oh.
smaller and different, so I'm not sure.
It's the doll.
Same thing.
So you can sell them together, like
Yes.
one thing with that and one with the other.
Look, we just got a our generation doll.
We have 3 pairs.
Is our generation pretty
Yes.
popular?
They're like
Yes.
the off-brand of American Dolls.
And
They're
American
really
dolls are
expensive.
insane.
But this is like the Target brand,
Yeah.
but they have the same, they're interchangeable. So like the clothes and stuff still fit the American Doll stuff.
Love
So
it.
some people do the our generation
$29.99.
for the American Doll stuff.
Right, and they'll buy
love
this
it.
stuff. So look, we each got a doll and a sleeping bag apiece.
Bet.
20.
The most variety I've ever seen in a case bag.
So this is what we got here.
Which is a good thing. Because
Yeah.
most people only get 1 or 2 items in a case bag.
Yeah.
It's good for us because we're trying to build our Shopify store up before we launch our website.
Hey, y'all are matchy-matchy today.
Go on.
Texted until about midnight.
Y'all are texting at midnight?
About business.
Yeah.
We've got another business endeavor we're working on.
Yeah. Let us know.
Stay tuned.
Okay. It's already taken off.
So that is the end of our unboxing. We will let you know what the retail of this is. We are gonna split it up half and half and go home and get it online.
There you go.
So yeah.
You got anything you want to say, bro?
Oh man, this was my first time and really exciting. I can't wait to get all this posted.
First time buying case packs?
Oh yeah.
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 If anybody else wants to buy case packs, come check us out. We'll meet you up here at Carolina Sisters if you want. We'll split one with you too.
They're located in Charlotte, North Carolina. Bye.